Hi! In front of me is Motorola One 5G Ace, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to tap on Connected Devices. Then select Connection Preferences. Click on Printing. And finally, Default Print Service. Now wait! Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. In order to use different print service, you need to disable this one by clicking on this switcher at the top and tap on the back button. Then click on Add Service and install the best one for you. I have an HP printer, so I will go with HP Print Service plugin. And click on the back button twice. Now click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!